Welcome guys. Look, it's amazing and wonderful monastery here in Marsaba. It's amazing and fascinating caves here in the Judean desert. It's really amazing. It's a breathtaking view, guys. Wonderful. What a lovely place. Unbelievable. It's a really great place. Welcome to hike, to explore this fascinating place here. I hope you will not regret. Just come and enjoy and explore the beauty, the splendor of Marsaba Monastery here in the middle of the Judean desert. That's lovely, guys. Lovely.